Mike Hughes here. I'm at Diveroid Mini, and I'm here with Juan. And you want to tell us a little bit about your system?
Of course. This is our product Diveroid Mini. It's a modular dive computer, so you can easily connect with your smartphone. So I can show you. This is a modular dive computer. So press the middle button, and this is our app Diveroid. It's free download. So push the diving start button,
and you're going to sync it to that.
Yeah.
And it takes a second to sync, pretty much.
Yeah.
And then once you got it synced, it's already in our dive mode.
Yeah, you're right.
Then you put it in your case.
In your case, and see all the diving details is in one screen. NDL, nitrox, dive time, temperature, and depth, and compass. And this is dive profile, but if you go on a dive, you can see it.
Right.
Yeah. This is camera mode, and you can see diving details also.
A safety warning, including
still diving details at the top.
Yeah, you're right. And it's a dive recording mode, so you can see also. Yeah. After you're diving, you can see your automatically dive log.
Right.
Yeah.
Automatically saves into a dive log.
Yeah.
This
is our dive log. And you can see your
profile.
Yeah, profile and all the diving details in here. And you can check your diving type and
yeah. And then you come down to the pictures you took on the dive.
You're right. If this is a diving note, you can write it. And this is all synced with diving profile.
Cool.
So you can see this picture when you capture this picture, and dive temperature and dive time.
Cool.
Yeah.
It's neat.
Yeah, right.
All in one thing, and you just have to attach that to your whatever case you have.
Yeah, you're right.
Okay.
There are many comparable housing. So if many people attach this housing,
right,
and then we can compare it.
Okay.
Easily.
They can check to make sure.
Yeah.
So if you have this housing or that housing or this housing, any of these housings,
anything you want,
put this product on it in the front, the Diveroid.
You're right.
And if they want more information about Diveroid, they go to diveroid.com.
Any price or that.
There we go.
Yeah.
Maybe I can get that.
Nothing is
see
more
it.
important than safety.
One more thing. Alarm system, safety alarm system.
Safety alarm system.
Yeah, there are 6 kind of safety alarm system.
Okay.
You can set by vibration.
Everything is possible.
Okay.
Vibration, so you can easily.
So if you're not listening, you'll feel it.
Yeah, you're right.
That's cool.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.